Wow, flavors. Hey people, wagwan. You don't know wagwan, everybody. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, we're there by the river, people. Come in, bring in the camera. You see some there. Guess what, wagwan, everybody, yeah? Thank you very much for such an amazing season, everybody, yeah? Season 7 was fabulous. We're now in season what? Season 8, everybody. So welcome to season 8, and this one's great. So we're down by the lake, people, yeah, the riverside. See the settings, yeah? So it's just a thank you video to thank everybody for season 8. Big up everybody that's on the journey, that's been here, 24-hour kitchen. The journey has been fabulous from season 1, and we're all the way here. So season 8, come on, we're gonna be based outside. We're not gonna be late. Come on, I wanna thank each and every one of you again for being a fabulous subscriber, a fabulous person. All of you guys that's been commenting, that's been sharing the videos, that's been talking about Ringo Vision, that's been spreading the good word. You guys are what? Great. Come in. Yes, everybody, so look at this. So we've got a fire blazing. It's a good vibes. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. You don't know what I want. 24-hour kitchen. We have to get the what? We have to get the fire blazing. And it's also important that you guys are what? Eating 3 times a day, everybody. It's so important that we're having the necessary things going into our bodies, eating 3 times a day. Where we there? We're there by the riverside, Bobla Guan, sort out the fire. Yeah, man, we've got a few ingredients here, everybody, here, that we've got. And we're going to be doing the pan-fried salmon. It's a big up episode, people, yeah. Welcome to season 8, our good vibes. Well, this one's a simple process. Get the camera in so that you can see what I go on. Yeah, man, I'm just sprinkling the amazing all-purpose seasoning mix. If you haven't yet ordered your bottle, you can order your bottle today, people, yeah? It's our good vibes. Yeah, man, so we're just going to turn our salmon over 1 time. Turn the salmon over 1 time. And we're just going to give a little sprinkle of the all-purpose seasoning mix. That is it. We don't need much more than that. Then we just rub it into our pan. Make sure that we've got the sides done, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibes. That is it. We don't want too much seasoning on the fish to overpower the thing. It's just a compliment, just to implement a little bit more flavors and spices. A good vibes. Big up yourself. You don't know where we're there. Riverside. Thing, no lele. That is it. Set it straight. Set it good, bubbler. Yeah, man, we're just setting the pan on the fire so that we can start cooking, everybody. Good vibes. That is it. That is it. So, yeah, man, we've got the pan on the fire. Our good vibes. Have a look at that. We're by the riverside and we're going to cook the most amazing pan-fried salmon. Good vibes. All right, everyone. So I'm going to need a half an onion. So, quickly, I'm just going to be just peeling my onion quick and fast, everybody. Good vibes. So yes, we're using the red onion today. We're going to be using a bit of ginger. And we're going to be using a few garlic as well, everyone. Good vibes. Yeah, man. So, welcome on the program if you've just come on the program. If you've just started in on season 8, thank you very much for coming through. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We're just stripping some garlic quickly as well. And we're going to be peeling some ginger. And then we're going to be peeling some carrots. And we're going to get everything going. Good vibes. Pause it. Everyone, so this one's a simple process. Have a look and see what's going to be happening right now. Have a look at this. Wow. Salmon. Okay, so we're going to let this go for about 2 to 3 minutes maximum on each side. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start to prepare the vegetables, everyone, that we've got right here. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, as we're down by the river, you don't know what going on. We are dealing with the fish. Yeah, man, there's fishing going in out here, said time, people, and it coming like we just see a good catch. Look, there's something bubbling around, there's something swimming around in the water. Everybody, what's this? I think we got ourselves a catch. Whoa, yeah, something. We've got something. Good vibes. Yeah, man. So we outside, everybody. Throw that one there back in. It's a tiny little one. Good vibes. It's all for the sport. Wow, look at the salmon, you know. Now we've got the chopped Irish potato, the garlic, the ginger, the red peppers, the pumpkin. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. The all-purpose seasoning mix. We're just gonna drop in some time right now, everybody. Big up yourself. You don't know what? Season 8, and it's a good vibes. Yes, everyone, I'm so glad to be here. Woo, the smoke, woo! Yeah, man, the smoke now and play. I'm so glad to be here, everybody, in season 8. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes. The salmon, look at that. Wow. This one is a boom vibes, everybody. Let's just turn our bad boy salmon over. Ooh, look at that. Nicely. Just letting all the vegetables just softening, and then we're almost at a completion, everyone. Good vibes, big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen, we're there, we're fully active, we're fully down by the river. Season 8, we're there. Welcome into season 8. Look out for the next video coming out. Yeah, man, we've got jerk chicken on a shopping basket. We've got the most amazing double cheeseburger coming out on a shopping basket with Mars, people, yeah? Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen with Daya. Wow, flavors, amazing. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen with Daya, man. Cooking by the riverside. Pan-fried red salmon. Good vibes. Wow. Yes, everybody, will come to that grand finale. What do we call this one here? Completion, man. Wow, look at that. Pan-fried salmon. Come to a nice completion. Everything steamed down nicely. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. Season 8. We're finally here, everybody, yeah? We're in season 8. Thank you very much. Look at this amazing meal. This is just for you guys, just for season 8. Welcoming the new season with a nice pan-fried salmon with some pumpkin, with some Irish potato. We've got thyme in there. We've got ginger in there. We've got garlic in there, everybody, yeah? We've got everything that's needed to be in there. Red onion. Wow, the flavors that's jumping at you is not a joke thing. The riverside is just right there, people, yeah? Yeah, man, fish in the ground, and we just done the most miracle, amazing, delicious meal ever. Quick and what? Fast. Yeah, man. Season 8, look at that. Season 8, this is all about what? Season 8. And yes, everybody, have a look at this. Yeah, man, this is what it's all about. Season 8, and it's been a great one. Look, today was just about welcoming the season, bringing in a new season. Look at this. One for me, one for you. That is it, you know. Yeah, man, look at that. The pan-fried salmon. It's got all the nice things there. It's got all the nice things in there. And where are we? We're by the riverside. Bubbler, make sure that your finger's not over the camera screen, you know. Bubbler's on camera, you know. Big up Bubbler, people. Big up everybody. You don't know what go on. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. It was a good what? It was a good vibes. I'll see you again in a couple of days.